Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have the last of my baby boy project that I've been working on to use up the rest of the paper I've had laying out on my table. So far this year, guys, I've gone through, I think, 3 baby boy collections. So, I mean, that's exciting because I have a ton of baby boy paper and I think it's just so cute. So I keep buying it, but at the same time, I also have a nephew, and so I just keep buying baby boy paper because I always think I'm gonna make some stuff for him. Even though I haven't even made his first year album yet, and he's gonna be turning 2 next month. So I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I gotta get on that. But anyway, I was using up the rest of this paper pad called Baby Boy by Echo Park. This is a 6x6 paper pad. I have previously used some of this to mat one of my projects that I made for my ScrappyChristmasKrafts series. I think it was for February's for the second project I made. This one is actually the 3rd project I made for March for ScrappyChristmasKrafts, and it's another base that I had made on camera with you guys. So I ended up just matting the rest of this with the rest of this paper to use it up since I had it laying around on my desk. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like, and if you guys want the tutorial, it'll be linked down below in the description box, because again, it is a ScrappyChristmasKrafts collaboration with Tiffany, and we've been doing a tutorial every month so far. So definitely check that out, and you know, you guys don't have to do a Christmas project. This was not a Christmas project, but it's part of that ScrappyChristmasKrafts series where you guys could follow along and see the tutorial at least, and then mat it however you want. All right, so let's get started, and I'm going to show you guys what I created. Alrighty, so this album is so cute. I think it measures 4.5 by 6.5. I can't even remember my own measurements. There's too many tutorials on my channel now. So if you guys want some easy tutorials, definitely check it out. So yes, it is 4.5 by, it's 4.5 by 6.25. And it's so cute, guys. All right, so I'll link this down below as well. The Baby Boy Paper Pad by Echo Park, and this is perfect to use with 6x6 papers for this project. I've been trying to use up some 6x6 paper, so some of my projects that I have made for that series are for 6x6 paper. So if you have a ton of those and you keep buying more, make some projects with them. Okay, so this on the cover says "Hello Sweet Baby." I put some stickers here, some hearts here and here, and those hearts are actually from a sticker sheet that I had in my stash that I'm also trying to use up, and this is from the Sweet Baby Boy collection for Echo Park. So I still have a ton of stickers. I need to make some cards or something, but I have no more scraps, so I don't know what we're gonna do with that yet, but I'm sure I'll have some more scraps from when I use up some more paper. It kind of just goes with whatever collection. Like, I mix and match baby collections all the time. Here I have some enamel dots, and down here as well I did a little bit of a ripping technique just to add a little bit more like design to the front cover, because if it was just this background I felt it kind of looked a little plain, so I just added this down here. My ribbon closure is like this minty glittery kind of color. My spine is this plaid, and the back, guys, it is so cute. All right, so the back, I think LMS Crafty Creations is where I first saw this originally, and I had bought these hexagon paper punches a while back. So on my previous album I shared with you guys, I used the 2-inch size punch. On this one is smaller, and I used the 1.5-inch size punch. So when you order this, and I'm going to have a link to these down below, it actually comes in a set of 3 punches, which is great because depending on whatever size scraps you have, you could punch out these hexagons and then kind of paper piece them together. But it comes in a set of 3, and I got it off of Amazon, so I will have these linked down below in case you guys want to get them, and it is the perfect way to use up scraps. Like, I'm also imagining how cute would this look on the background of a card or something. Like, so stinking cute, guys. So that is the background I have been loving making for this project and the one before this, so it's going to be like my new thing. I love doing it. And also I forgot to mention, but this album is available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested, so check out the link in the description box down below. Okay, so now let me just stop talking because I've talked way too much. Let's just get into the project so I could show you guys already what I made, and I just made a knot. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so you open this up and this is what it looks like. If you know anything about this collection, you know that I clearly ran out of paper to mat the front cover and the inside cover. So I just picked a greenish bluish paper from my stash. This actually ended up being a Flourish collection by Crate Paper, Maggie Holmes, I think it was. I don't know if it's Maggie Holmes, I think it is. So it's from Flourish, but I thought it went well with this album because it's got some greens, and there's some greens in here as well. I put one of the cut aparts from the baby collection up here that says Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and it acts as a little tuck spot, so you could tuck in your photo underneath there and then stick it down. So for example, you could tuck your photo underneath it and stick it down. See? Okay, here is a belly band. So here you could add in whatever you want, some photos, and tuck some photos in there. Then the next page looks like this. This is a double pocket. I have a little tag in one of these that says Eat, Sleep, Be Cute, and Repeat. And the back side is just matted with some solid kind of cardstock that matches the collection. And you could just see this is a pocket on both sides, so you could add in some photos into here as well. Then this is also a pocket in between here, so you could add in a bunch of photos in here and just slide them in there if you're running out of space in the album, and or just add in like little memorabilia and stuff like that. So that's a really cute place to put that there. Then you have this green paper. This is actually left over from that Sweet Baby Boy collection I showed you guys. That is not from this one at all, but like I said, I had some greens in here, so I thought the greens in the front and back covers went well. Here I made a tag. It says Welcome Baby Boy. This was my last biggest scrap. So I just made a tag and it worked out perfectly. Matted it with white on the back. And this is not from any of these collections. I just kind of had it in my stash from some kind of baby collection, but it says You Are Magic. And up there you could add a photo or do some journaling. And obviously you could add more goodies in here in this pocket. You could do it like that if you want. I like this on the outside to kind of keep that flap closed, but you could do more. You could add some on the outside and some on the inside, and that will give you more space for photos. And you should be able to fit a full 4x6 photo on here. Maybe, okay, 4x6, but a little bit trimmed down, just a tad. But you could fit pretty much full-size photos. Here I just decorated with this die cut kind of cut apart that says Bundle of Joy, and I matted it onto black paper and just stuck it down. Then this next page looks like this. I have a little pocket in here that says Hello Baby, Welcome to the World. You could journal on the back or add a photo or add it elsewhere as a tuck spot and whatnot. So that's a little pocket here, and you could slide in some smaller photos into this pocket as well. This opens up with one of these like swing tab kind of closures, and it opens to your left. I've got some brown matted paper here, and then I have another pocket here. So you can add some goodies into this pocket as well. So in the previous album, when I designed this originally, I had matted this with the same paper so that you couldn't tell it's a pocket, but you'd still be able to like use it as a pocket if you wanted to. This time I decided to do different papers all throughout, and I think that turned out really cute as well. Another full-size photo could pretty much go here. You turn this page and this flips open like so. Here I have another pocket because I was using scraps and I didn't have space for a non-pocket. Like my paper didn't go long enough, even my solid paper, and I had this little scrap, so I was like, okay, we're just gonna make another pocket. And it's kind of like opposite of this one, so the wood grain and the blue, and this one has the blue and the wood grain. So this is also a tuck spot. No, it's not. This is not a tuck spot under here. I keep forgetting. I keep saying that's a tuck spot, but it's not. That's not the first time I said it. First time in this video, but not the first time overall. So that is not a tuck spot, I think, right? It's not, right? Is it? Wait, maybe it is a tuck spot. Hold on. Oh, it is a tuck spot, guys. Okay. All right, I lied. It is a tuck spot. It's just kind of tricky. All right, but it is a tuck spot. So if you want to tuck this in there, you could totally do that. You could actually now that I'm looking at this, you could probably add in a couple of like journal pages if you wanted to journal and have it like flip up if you wanted to do that. Whatever you want, guys. But you could also just tuck in a photo underneath there. So then that closes. This is a pocket page, so you could add in some more goodies in there. And then the back page looks similar to this one, just reversed. So you have the swing tab closure here, and instead of opening to the left, it opens to the right. This is also a pocket here, so you could add in goodies there. This swings open, flips to the right. You've got some solid cardstock here for journaling or a photo, and then this is a pocket. So back here, you could obviously add in a photo here and then just tuck some photos in there. You could add in a photo here, do some journaling, whatever you want to do, and then you could add in some smaller photos here into the pocket, and then another larger photo here. So that is this cutie patootie album, and I am so happy I got to finish up using my 6x6 paper pad for this, and finally got it off my desk, and I'm able to write it off that I used up yet another paper for 2022. I was about to say 2021, but nope. It is 2022. So again, if you are interested, check out my Etsy shop. This is going to be listed in my Etsy shop if you guys want some baby albums. I also have another one listed in there as well. And this one is also listed there, so you guys could check that one out. That one's a bigger one. So yeah, I've got some baby albums and some other album options for you guys in case you guys are looking for some albums. But that is everything, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.